Okay, recording started. Okay. Inquiry, sales inquiry. So this is the sales inquiry. Okay, VA 11 inquiry type. Uh, what was the one company code?
ऐसे ऐसे
या
आए
मैं
हैं।
एक जो इनका लेंगे परमेश्वर का
हम्म।
या ना यस वन
NIS. ओके, तो NI इंक्वायरी के लिए NISS यही है ना, NISS
या ना यस वन सर, जस्ट टू वन सर,
NIS
आपका या ना यस वन कंपनी कोड और
नहीं नहीं, इंक्वायरी का।
इंक्वायरी।
इंक्वायरी का।
हाँ,
हाँ या ना डबल एस होगा सर, या ना डबल एस।
नहीं ये किसी और का है शायद, ये NISS। ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम, क्रिएट कर लेते हैं। या तो स्टैंडर्ड भी ले सकते हैं, IN चाहे तो स्टैंडर्ड ले सकते हैं, IN इंक्वायरी। और असाइन करना वहाँ पे जरूरी है प्राइसिंग के लिए। प्राइसिंग पे जो असाइन करेंगे तब वहीं पे डॉक्यूमेंट लेगा, नहीं तो वरना नहीं लेगा वो।
स्टैंडर्ड है।
IN के लिए ये NIS है। तो NP लिए है, NP लिए है तो एक कॉपी कर लेंगे और बाद में असाइन कर लेंगे इंक्वायरी के लिए। ओके, टी कोड आकर VO V8 है। अगर से 5 चाहिए तो भी 5 से भी जा सकते हैं। गो टू SPRO, IMG रेफरेंस, सेल्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, सेल्स, सेल्स डॉक्यूमेंट, सेल्स हेडर, डिफाइन सेल्स डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप। ओके, go to here you will find a list of sales order. Okay, different types of sales. So quotation, inquiry, order, all those. So standard is QT, uh, IN, IN, OR, OR. These are the standards document. What we'll do, we'll create our own copy to our company code and we'll change it accordingly. Copy, inquiry, IN, NI, NIS1, NIS1. Then we will give as a NI, IN, something, IN. Okay. So under this document type, the category is main important. So if you look here, different type of categories are there. Inquiry, quotation, order, item, proposal, schedule agreement, all those things. So A is for the inquiry. So it will default, it will be A. So let it be. Okay. And the document pricing procedure, you have to change it. Okay. Our document pricing procedure is NP. Okay. Assign this and enter. So is this entry also relevant for copying in control? Yes. The message is showing select a key from the allowed space, namespace. So it is yellow. So just enter once again. So now it is quotation. It is quotation, quotation to for NIS1. This one. Here will be then I. And this for category will be B. And document pricing procedure you can give as a NP. NP is only document pricing. Enter. Enter. So it's showing is already with the same key. So give something other than that. Quotation. NIS2. NISQ. Yes. Enter. So now order for NIS1. NIS1. NIS1 already is there, I think it is. We have already created. Correct? So
सेल्स ऑर्डर का हमने कंडीशन रिकॉर्ड किया था उसको या सेल्स ऑर्डर के साथ
correct.
कोटेशन और इंक्वायरी बाकी था हमारा.
Yeah. So we ignore this now. Okay. So two documents has been created. Save it. We already assigned also the pricing procedure in that. Now, if you same way, if you go and search in enter, it already saved. Go back. Okay. Now go to uh, go back. Go to assign document pricing procedure to order type. Go to position. Search here. NI. NI. For inquiry, NP we have assigned. For quotation also we have assigned. And for order also we have assigned. Now any of three, this document also if you create, the pricing procedure will pick it. Okay. So last time we created directly for the sales order. Sales order. No error. Now let's create as inquiry. Go here, give your inquiry type, N9, N9 IN, sales organization, NISO, distribution channel as ND, then again ND, NI. then here NI, yes, O, N, I, S. Enter. So now give your shipping point, sorry, sold to party, customer. Move this sales office. Enter. I think we have taken this TCS. We have taken this only, right? In the pricing 101.
Yes.
Okay. So material. So now, yes, so perfect.
Right.
Give 10 quantity. If enter here, then you can condition go here check. So it will be picked here. Okay. So pricing procedure is being picked. Save the document. Well, save the document. You'll have the incomplete some document steps. You can ignore also, or you can give also. So now, if you want to give that, you want to complete this document, you can go to edit and you can check and you can fill this. So now to complete this document, there is a terms of payment is required. Okay. So you must complete the following data. So just double click on this. Okay. There is a terms of payment here. Okay. The terms of payment, you can enter from here. Okay. You can enter from here, or else you can also enter from the customer. You can go for BP, BP, EA, change, go for equal, sales and distribution. Okay, so this is the terms of payment. So give your terms of payment, its standard, which is 00001, and save it. Okay, now, so same way, go back, go back. Again, enter, give your customer, give your material, give your quantity, enter. Now, double click, go to your billing document, billing document. Let me go back and see it. Enter, enter, enter. It's take care. Okay, payment terms. Now just save it. So nothing has been came now, right? So inquiry for the IN for IS 0 NIS 1 document has been created. Okay. Now where you can see this document? If you want to see where we can see this document, Abdul, any idea? If you want to
No,
list,
sir, you didn't tell me where to check it.
sorry.
You didn't tell me where to check it, documents, when we created.
Okay. So you have a two options. Okay.
Mhm.
One is you can list here from the inquiry list. Okay. One. Second option, you have a sales document display. Okay. If you go here, display, there you can see the tag T code is a VA13. VA13. Okay. Now if you go back, see here. If you come down, you'll have a VA13 to display. VA12 is to change. If you enter this VA13, the document default previous document it will show here. Otherwise, you can search from here also. Okay, enter one option. Second option, you can go for information, inquiry, and VA15 inquiry list. Here you can come here. You can give the sales organization data, sold to party if you have. Otherwise, you can execute. Okay, so now you can see here your material and the customer list. Okay, so this is your list of inquiries. If you have a number of 10 inquiries, then it will all list will here. Okay, go back. Now, if you want to create the sales in quotation, go to VA25, execute. Okay, so sales quotation, we don't have anything. Okay, so now if you want to create sales quotation, go for quotation VA21 create. Okay, so now you can give your create with reference if you want to create, or else you can create your new sales quotation. If you already created with reference, then go for your create with reference. Give your NI, yes, yes, then create with reference. Give the inquiry. Okay, inquiry. Okay. Here, if you don't find it, manually give the from your sales quotation. VA15, execute, copy this, copy, create with reference, give the inquiry, copy, paste here, and click on copy. Okay, document 10 has no checking group, material master plan data. So in this, no checking group material master plan data is, so it just we can ignore as of now. Enter. So now once you enter, default whatever the inquiries data is there, it will be copied to the quotation here. Okay. So you can see as it is, everything will be remain same thing. So just if you want, you can create a new one, or else you can copy an existing and you can save it. Okay. So now if we go here copy, it's showing edit again. Some data are missing. So now these are the data you need to be filled here. Okay. Quotation validity. So how long it will be? So you have to fill one by one. So if we go here, validity you have to give material pricing group, storage location, shipping point, Incoterms, and the customer price group. So this is the header data, the which is you can see without number 10, it is header data, and these all the 10 which is your line item data. So if you go for your quotation validity, till when you want this validity. Suppose if you give today's date, then tomorrow you cannot create with this same quotation it is. So it will be expired. Okay. Now if you want to give for a at least 1 month you can give your enter, or else you can click on this arrow, then material price group, then material price group you can select as a standard, normal, customer price group, give as a bulk order, some standard, actually you can give anything it is, and again go for next. So now it is showing as a storage location, select here storage location. Okay, now shipping point is, I'll show you where it is. Has no checking group, material master plan info. Incoterms, give your Incoterms, CFR, standard, cost and freight charges. There's a list of Incoterms are there. So this is the conditions as made for the shipping time. Okay, income terms are nothing but a, it is a, shipper and the receiver point will be decided and the charges will be decided. So cost and freight. Give this, give something location, Incoterms location. So give something cost, freight, freight, something as a pool. Next. Okay. Now loading date. When you want to load it, so you can give as a loading date. When you want to load today's date, you can give.
ये सर इंक्वायरी में इतना नहीं पूछते थे, इस कोटेशन में ये सब डिटेल क्यों पूछ रहे हैं?
Quotation and order. It is most of the details are required because most of details will be perfect. Details will be if you create order or quotation, the customer cannot be later he cannot demand anything, right? So as per
अच्छा,
the customer's requirement, you'll take the order, but you have to fill the complete information in that. If any information is missing, then again it could be a chances of misunderstanding or sub misinformation. It can be. So give as a loading group. Loading must take place before good issue. So good issue. To give us something as a good issue date. So we have to increase this date. Delivery date. You give something as a 14. Where you can give something as a 12. Loading must take place before good issue. Take place before good issue is checked. Give as a QY. Give the good issue date. Good issue date will be something as a 14. Enter. Enter. Okay. So this material available date and the transportation date, material available date, something you can give as a QL. Transportation plan date, QL. Enter and save it. Okay, shipping point tomorrow I'll show you. Save this document as of now. Shipping point tomorrow I'll show you with that, and then next sales order I'll just show you. Okay. So just
सर हम इसको कोटेशन, ये कोटेशन मतलब आप क्रिएट किए तो अभी कल को अपने को ऑर्डर बनाना है तो मतलब उससे कोटेशन कॉपी कर सकते हैं, जैसे इंक्वायरी कॉपी की तुमने कोटेशन के लिए?
लेट मी स्टॉप बोलते हैं रिकॉर्डिंग।